production workshop, also called free dust workshop. We will make some high quality standard filters here, like Euro 5 to Euro 6. For now, we have two assembly line here. In my right hand is assembly line to make our components. And we also have our dry leak detection equipment. Later on, we will replace our water leak detection equipment into dry. This one is more efficient. Defect products will come here. It will show the defects. Use the marks. I cannot open it right now because I don't have a key. So. Out there is our packing area. We assembled our products inside and pack it outside. And next year we will introduce 3 to 4 more assembly line in the dust-free workshop, and we can meet different high quality demand